Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the third upload today, people. But this time we're not playing on Minecraft. Oh no. We are playing on Purple Prison. I thought I might as well start a season on this. I already have a little bit of stuff. So right now, we are gonna, let's go to /E. We're gonna start mining. Note. Cell type cell. Oh, totally didn't know that. Let's use our kit. Oof, where did my pickaxe go? Oof. Oh, kit. Let's go with kit starter. There we go. Ooh, we got some tokens. That's cool. Let's SPT. Right now we have. I don't know. I don't want to save them for our private vote party. Definitely will take me a while, but just mine up. Ooh, we got 100k for mining. That's cool. There we go. We just made money. Yay. Let's enchant this. Oof, do they not have custom enchantments? Oof, they do have custom enchantments. Oof, I know they do somehow. Do we have any tags? No. Rip. I think soon we're gonna be playing another server. If you guys want to meet me right now live, well, not live, but here's what I'm gonna do. Let's say we are gonna do at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are gonna be doing I'm gonna be hopping on a server called fantasycloud.me. Again, fantasycloud.me. FANTASYCLOUD.me. There's no spaces in that, guys, so let's go with trail. Oh, there's no friends. I think in a second I'm gonna vote. We're almost to the rank up cost. And I think I'm gonna make my own server soon. If I didn't, you guys are gonna be the first one to know about it. So, there we go. We're ranking up. Ooh, cute. Which successful crates. Jeez, there's like a billion things here. Looks cool. Mine are a little better. Which pick is better? This one is more fortune. So, ooh, I forgot to manually. I can't talk. Now we have full, and we're gonna drop all this. Oh, I almost threw my brain out. Yeah, let's check such AH. Auction house. Jeez, everything's so expensive. New withdraw tokens. Yeah, but we're definitely going to save up to get 20,000 tokens. So let's slash warp F. There we are. There we are. Wait, I have an idea. You can use both of them. Bam! There we go. How about that? Haha. Ah. This is basically like reach, but this one is like reach too. You get to like reach so far. Raw PT. Nope, I thought that was going to be a command. Let's ask in chat. Okay, almost there. OW3R. Let's check our tokens. Yeah, we're gonna start voting. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, they're really good. I don't think we could buy them. Probably gonna cost a lot. But guys, I think we're gonna rank up to G and then, yeah, we're gonna rank up to G and then end this video right here. But here's what we're gonna do. Oh, just got a new pick. Fortune X, yeah, we're using this one. This one will get us materials super fast now. We're almost there. We are almost at it. Guys, remember, meet me on fantasycloud.me at 8 p.m. EST. And if you meet me early, so like at 7:45, I'll be giving away some stuff. So get ready for that. I think every week or two we'll do a couple of those meetups. Oh no. So yeah, I think we're just gonna sell all. We're very close, guys. So guys, I think we're gonna oh wow. Just wow. trolled us so hard. I was like, no, you can't have that. Like, can you have 1.7 though, but no, you cannot have 1.75. Ah, I'm lagging in that block. Gee, why am I lagging? Ah, this is annoying. Slash war. There we go. Ooh, we got a gold key. So guys, there we go. Well, let's just wait for it to load just a bit. Well, okay, I'm just gonna mine like for 2 more seconds just because I wanted to. Oh, there we go. We're at 2 mil. So guys, we are gonna slash rank up or crate, and we're gonna use our 2 cheese, and I think we're gonna end the video. So let's use these 2. And I know this is the last video for the day, but if we can get other people, like other people on the server, we'll do a live stream on Fantasy Cloud. Let's see what we get. We get something good like money. We got some golden apples, and I just grabbed a pickaxe. I don't know which one. I just realized all the picks I have. Look at all these picks. I have 1 rank up. I have 1 purple starter. I have 1 pickaxe. And I have another rank up one. So guys, that's the end of this video. Bye.